Mongoose. Introduction. The mongoose is a small to medium-sized carnivorous mammal known for its agility, curiosity, and bold nature. They are best known for their ability to fight and kill venomous snakes like cobras. Physical features. Size varies by species, 20 to 60 centimeters in length. Tail, long and bushy. Color, usually gray, brown, or yellowish. Body slender with short legs and a pointed face. Habitat. Mongooses live in a variety of environments including forests, grasslands, semi-desert areas. They are also found near human settlements. Diet. Mongooses are omnivores. They eat insects, worms, small birds and rodents, fruits and nuts, eggs. Some even eat snakes. Behavior. Very active and fast animals. Known for their bravery, often live in groups, called packs or troops. Some species are solitary. Special ability. Mongooses have quick reflexes and a natural resistance to snake venom, especially from cobras. This allows them to hunt and kill snakes effectively. Reproduction. Mating can occur year-round. Females give birth to 2 to 5 young. The young are cared for by the group and social species. Interesting facts. They communicate using vocal sounds like growls, chirps, and squeals. In Indian culture, mongoose versus snake fights are often mentioned in folktales. They are considered symbols of bravery. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Live with Creatures. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. See you in the next video.